What's up everybody, MTmotoRIDER here, and today I'm going to be talking about riding jeans. So if you're like me, you might not always want to wear the leather pants and the pants with knee sliders and your full suit every time you go out and ride, especially if you're going out riding maybe with some friends to go get something to eat. Maybe you're going to ride to like at a family event and you just want to be comfortable. So I decided to get a pair of riding jeans, and so far the pair of jeans that I decided to go with have been great. I don't have any complaints whatsoever with them. They're comfortable, they look nice, they came with a full set of knee and hip armor, and at their price point they're very competitive with all of the other brands that make riding jeans as well. The jeans that I decided to go with are actually made by a company local to me, like 30 minutes from here in Wilkesboro, North Carolina, and the company is Vo2 Leathers. Jonathan over at Vo2 Leathers, he's a great guy. I've met him a couple of times. He puts out some really awesome products, and it's not just riding jeans. He can do full race suits in cow and kangaroo, leather jackets, textile jackets, of course the riding jeans. He also does entry-level gloves as well as high-tech race gloves as well. But in this video, I'm going to pretty much focus on the riding jeans that I purchased from him. And before I go any further, I want to say that I was not given any products. I'm not in any way sponsored by Vo2 Leathers. I bought these products with my own money because I wanted to try them out. And so far, I've been happy. I also own a pair of gloves as well, but I will do a separate video on those. So anyway, let's check out these jeans. I've actually had these jeans for a few months now, and so far I don't have any complaints whatsoever. They fit good, they feel good, they're very comfortable even in the riding position. They're comfortable to hang out in, which was one of my main concerns with most riding gear. It's not comfortable just to, hang out, stand around, maybe sit around with friends or whatever. Vo2 riding jeans are Kevlar jeans, and they are made with heavy-duty denim, and you can get them in the dark color, which I have right now, or a light denim color. They're fully lined with American government grade Kevlar, and also, like I mentioned before, they do come with knee and hip armor. And the knee and hip armor is also removable, so you're able to take that out and wash the jeans. A few weeks ago I actually wore them because I went riding with some friends, and we actually went out to a restaurant, and I wore the jeans and they were comfortable the entire time. And if you don't know any better, they actually look like regular jeans. The knee pads and all that are not that noticeable in the jeans unless you actually know they're in there. So that was a big thing for me, is being able to wear them not just on the bike and be comfortable. Anyway, like I said, Jonathan is a really good guy. If you're interested at all, get in contact with him. You can check everything out at vo2leathers.com. And they also have a referral program as well. The way the referral program works is if you refer a friend or whoever to the website and they do end up purchasing a suit, you get $50 cash. If they get a jacket, I believe it's $25 cash. If they buy a pair of gloves or maybe a pair of jeans, I think it's around $15 cash. But either way, if you refer a friend, you're going to get rewarded for it. So I think that's a pretty cool thing that he does. Definitely go check out his website. If you're interested in any of the jeans or the suits or the jackets or any of his products, definitely get in contact with him. And if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, get subscribed to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.